Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. If you're looking to start either an Amazon business or an eBay business, a common question I get often asked is, which is better? And the answer to that is it kind of depends on the product you're selling, because some products are not allowed on Amazon, some products are not allowed on eBay, some products that are not allowed on eBay are allowed on Amazon, which is really crazy, right? It doesn't make sense. Well, the question you've got to ask yourself is, for that particular product that you decide to sell, if everyone and their dog on Amazon is selling this product, then there's a good chance that if you're going to come up with extra competition, you're going to be affronted with extra advertising costs, extra sponsored costs, sponsored listing costs. So you might be better off actually selling that product on eBay, all right? And the same thing, if everyone's on eBay selling that particular product, then your product might actually do well on Amazon, all right? So little things you've got to consider, little things like that, you have to consider, all right? So which is better? Well, I would say do them all. And I've done them all, guys. I've started an Amazon business. I've started an eBay business. I've sold on wholesale. I've done drop shipping. I've actually started since starting my online businesses in 2003, I've done probably about 200, maybe 300 websites selling products. So I've started a whole bunch of products. I've done the whole thing. And what I would probably recommend to you, if you're looking to get started with Amazon or eBay, or you want to sell stuff online, maybe you want to start your own business, is do the whole thing. If you have a winning product, if you have a product that's really, really good and it's selling really good and actually does work, then sell it on eBay, sell it on Amazon, do drop shipping, to test out that product, test out other products as well, and sell it wholesale. Like find people, find businesses, find shops that want to retail your product and sell it to them. That way you get the bulk orders, right? So there's some really good advantages to doing that. Hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you want to find out more information, do check out my website as well. Talk to you real soon. See you later.